fellas. Today, the new bumpers come in, the Wild Boar Extreme bumper. We're going to get rid of this Chincio tube bumper and the winch that you can't get to down here without getting on your hands and knees. I'm going to do a top mount. I think it's going to look good. What you think?
I like it.
I like it. It's going to look good. In the sun there, maybe you can see.
Well, it's got some heavy duty lugs on it there.
Looks pretty good to me.
What are you up to?
Been doing a little wrenching.
A little wrenching, huh? You know what we call them, right? Dolly Parton tits. Can you model them for us? There you go. There you go. That's Dolly right there.
Say it's a fair trade. Bottle of angle drive fluid for 2 speakers.
Angle drive fluid for speakers. There you go. All right. He's got that bumper off right there. Yeah. Which I kind of like that bumper right there, but
This guy.
Code Man. What do you got to say about that? What do you got to say for yourself?
Say for myself, I like my new bumper.
He likes that thing right there. And we're getting ready to put in the back brace. What Code Man's working on right now. It's a heavy duty back brace that goes in behind the front of the fascia. So that's currently what we're installing right now. I have to say the construction and the welding on the Wild Boar product is phenomenal so far. So we'll just have to see as we go along. It looks good. Well, he just took the goddamn phone out. I lost my fucking music. The Wild Boar laying there doesn't want to fit. We're going to take a skill saw to that fascia right there. That's what's interfering. He don't want to admit it, but that's what's happening. Of course, we did get this piece back in there finally, right there. And it's got a hose right in the way, but they got a cutout for it. Looks to me like it's going to rub the water line in two. First hour running. Better take about 4 gallon antifreeze. Screwed me up, took my damn music. What a dirty damn trick. Well, I see they've changed the color from gray to black on these models. ZXR 3500. Also a red indicator, as if you could see that when you're in the mud, but they did give you a double finger grip, something they didn't on the gray versions of the 3500.
Look at that, I've done scuffed the damn thing all to hell.
Done beat her up, right?
It's alright. It's gonna get a lot worse.
That's right.
This fella goes just like that. Carriage bolts.
Alright, let's get those installed. Alright, we got the side brackets mounted on the bumper, the winch mounted, the winch plate, fair lead, and They want it all left loose to install on this very heavy duty bracket that's on the inside. It's held on with 2 U-bolts, one at the top and bottom. Quite massive, I might say. And the other side, so it'd be a chore holding that up. That's probably in the neighborhood of around 140, 150, 150 pounds. Very close to it. So we'll move on from filming here and get this thing picked up and get it mounted. Okay, this large bracket back here, if you can see it, it's got a series of bolts that we're tightening up that go strictly to the frame. And that appears to hold the whole assembly to that down tube right there. And we're tightening those up now so we can get the rest of these bolts lined up. Alright, we got the heavy beast pulled up in the air. Got the side mount brackets bolted up and working on tightening up a bit of the hardware now. Moving right along with it. Join this back in there. Hey, no mind to that 2-pound shop hammer. Tightening up hardware now. I don't know if you can see well the massive D-rings they got welded on this thing. And they've got 2 of them on there, and I can see those coming in very handy. It's a heavy duty stuff.
It's as bad as a Jeep bumper.
Oh, I don't know if I'd say that in the video. We got a lot of Jeep fans out there. Alright men, there she is, all installed, the Wild Boar bumper kit with the high winch mount. Really looks sharp. Not much of a hard installation at all. I would rate that about a 3 for your mechanics. The new Badlands RZR 3500 from Harbor Freight features the same speed coming out, but 2 foot quicker on the retrieval of the cable. I think that's going to be a winch to be tested out this weekend. We have a ride planned and we'll see how it does and let you know how it performs. So thanks for sticking with us on the video, and I hope you like the install. There's your fast recovery with the RZR 3500 from Harbor Freight.